Here. So if you guys can see over here, it's a beautiful, beautiful rock python. That just came out of the bushes. One we saw earlier. This snake is stopping a little bit. See, she's now moving on her way to probably a hole of some sort. She's been lying in the sun today, getting that last bit of sun energy from the sun. Just a little bit of to get to catch some food. You can see, as normal, they are very, very relaxed snakes. You must just not corner them or try and catch them. Otherwise, they are very, very relaxed snakes. So your rock pythons are a endangered species. They're protected. So in South Africa, you aren't allowed to handle them or to keep them as pets. They have to remain in the wild, like we see over here. Now, these guys, they do not have any type of venom. It's a constrictor. So what they do is they'll strike, whop at you. They'll bite you with their teeth. Got a very, very firm bite. And then what they'll do is they'll wrap themselves around their prey. See how the head lifts, the tail smelling. So they'll wrap themselves around their prey, and they will then start to constrict, to start to suffocate them by strangling them until they are dead, and then they will swallow their prey whole. You can see, like over here, very calm snake, very, very calm. I can touch her, she's very, very calm and relaxed. So if you look at the head, it's on the ground, it's a bit high off the ground. So they use their tongue to actually smell, to see better. So the tongue will smell and they'll taste what is in the area or what they are following. If they look for prey, the tongue will send to them where to go to find prey. You see, she is very, very relaxed. So I can lift her up her tail. Very, very calm. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful snake. See that? Very, very calm. Not worried about me. She knows I'm not a threat to her. I'm just here to view, to observe, and then to make my way again. Here they are. Listen, just letting me know, listen. I am big, I am strong, I am in the area. You want to follow, see where she goes up to. So basically it's winter time now, so being ectothermic is that these snakes don't really have the energy to be that active. So you'll find them in the sun in the daytime basking just to get a little bit of energy to move around. Also cold, like now it's very, very cold out, so she won't be active. Like you see now, she's very, very, very lazy. She's sailing slowly, very relaxed. If I was here now when she was active in the daytime when she had sun, she would have not had me doing this. She would have been more active, faster, and a little bit more aggressive towards me as well. Let's see where she's going to. Come here, sneak it. Look at that, it's far from the ground now. Listen to that. Look at that. Look how quickly a snake this size disappears into a small patch of grass. Come around, just like she's coming out of her again. She's still moving slowly. So normally the holes they live in, all the abandoned termite mounds, aardvark holes, they will live underneath the ground, and there she will stay well, her whole life basically. Also, interesting thing, snakes are quite easy to see when they have eaten. Obviously the body expands. Now, how they swallow their prey. Pythons, they actually dislocate the jaw, so the mouth can stretch very, very wide open, and that's how they can swallow large prey. Oh, see that the forked tongue there the whole time, smelling where to go, what to find. Look at the head, looking very, very interesting to see them at work. Now, to find a snake this size in the wild is a very, very special and very rare sight to find. It's not every day you get to see a snake this size in the bush. Look at that. Look at that. So that there is basically a striking pose. So the moment they stand up like that, they're in striking mode, and then she will look and see if you are a threat. If so, she'll launch a wide open mouth strike at you. If not, she goes back down and sails onwards.